and we're going to program this vehicle to the garage door opener. In this case here, we're going to be programming a Craftsman chain drive, and I am using a Liftmaster universal remote. You can also find these at Home Depot under Chamberlain universal remotes. They're the same system, same way that you'll program them. First step is we're going to turn the vehicle dash on, so we're not going to put our foot on the brake. We're just going to turn that on by pressing the start button. Alright, from here you're going to go ahead on your display screen and press the home button right there on your screen. From this screen here you're going to go to vehicle. Then you're going to go to settings and scroll down here, garage door opener. And you're going to do garage door 1, so you're going to add. Alright, so now you're going to hold the remote transmitter, which is this one, right up here to your rear view mirror. There's a little button right up in here. Okay, you're going to press this and hold it. Now I pressed and held both of them. It's asking you here if the garage door 5 should be synchronized. Hit yes. Synchronize now. Press the garage door opener icon and the header on the upper display at least 2 times for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Alright, you're going to press the learn button on your motor. Alright. Now we're going to press the garage door icon on the top right there for at least 2 seconds, twice. Alright, look at that. It's moving. Yes. Garage door 5 was programmed successfully. Do you want to save the location of your garage door 5 now? Yes. Please park your vehicle directly in front of your garage door. Your vehicle position will be stored. Yes. Alright, so we did that. Please tap here to send. Okay. Exit. Yes. Alright. Alright guys, so what I did here is I ultimately ended up adding, when I came here I hit add, and I added another tab. I didn't need to do that. I could just use garage door 1. So when I press garage door 1, it doesn't do anything because I didn't program that one. I programmed this one and I added garage door 5. So all we're gonna do here now is we're gonna go to edit right here at the top, and we're gonna change garage door 5, edit it, and rename it, okay? So we're gonna do here, delete. So here, we deleted it, and then we're gonna go down here and let's just do home. Alright, there's home. Okay. The name has successfully been changed. Now what I'm going to do is, to remove any confusion, I don't have any other garage doors. We're going to come here and we're going to select garage door 1, garage door 2, and we're going to delete them. Yes, delete now. Alright, so now we have only home. And now what we're going to do is we're going to get out and go back. Let's see if it... So from this point on, even out of your settings, all you have to do is hit the home button right there on the bottom, which is right here. It's a house. All right, press that button and the garage door is going to open. And if I press it again, watch this. It stops. Press it again. There it is. So from your main screen now, all you have to do is hit the home button and your garage door is programmed.